Ayan guys, good evening, good evening. Ayan, dinner meal po natin sa duty. Ayan, oh. 2 cups of rice at saka ayan, tortang dilis po. At ang ating sausawan. Ayan po, sukang manghang ang ating sausawan. Ayan, yummy dilis, tortang dilis. 2 cups of rice at meron din po tayong sausawan na ketchup. Yan po ang sarap ng ating tortang dilis. Yan po ang ating dinner meal on duty. And guys, mega love shout out sa inyo lahat. Please like and share my YouTube channel. And guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy my dinner. And yummy toasted tortang dilis. Sarap ng sausawan, sukang manghang, yummy